Can you get up? Go to your active YouTube live stream, click, just do that in OBS or what? Bear with me, guys. Okay. Alright, chat. We're back to the live streams. Let's see if we can actually build up some fucking viewership. Let's see if we can do it. I don't know how we can do it, but we can try. We can fucking try. So what I'll do. Got to test all the levels as well on the fucking speakerphone. So anyway, on gold, right, let's jump straight into this. Gold, we have got a sweep of the lows, but we are in a current downtrend. So remove that. So anyway, on gold, right, let's jump straight into this. Gold, we have got a sweep of the lows, but we are in a current downtrend. So remove that. The mic's picking up the fucking headphones as well. How funny is that? Yeah, that's mad. That is mad. I've got to sort all these levels out because I haven't been on chat for a long time. So why is that coming through there? Yeah, I'm getting some like mad echo, which is annoying. Which is really annoying. Yo. Yeah, I don't want that. That's weird. So let's put that back on. This shouldn't be getting picked up. Like that should be alright now, but it's fucking dumb. That's dumb because that shouldn't be getting picked up at all. So if I pause that again. Don't know why that's. I can't hear nothing. I mean, I can hear something, but it's not. I can hear myself, bro. Like through that stream, like it's echoing. Like that's not good. That's fucked. But when I turn this on, quite so loud, fucking hell, blow my eardrum out. Turn that on, and then that shouldn't be getting picked up. Very strange, mate. I can still hear it as well. What is that, bro? Why is that doing it? That's weird, bro. Audio mixer. So it's not going to do that then. Yeah, it's weird as fuck, bruv. Unless it's that one. I've muted that. It's weird as fuck, bruv. So that's the mic. This is the Mac. Let's turn that on. Turn that down. But now this ain't gonna play through there. Which I know for a fact. Yeah, that's fucked. So that one's got to be on. We don't want to hear no double whammy, bruv. It's like a weird echo. Frustrating, mate. Frustrating. The mic's that strong is picking up Again. It's weird, isn't it? It's just fucking weird, bruv. Microphones, man. This one's so sensitive, really sensitive, and it shouldn't be. It's that sensitive, it's picking up my fucking headphone shit. Maybe I'll just have to turn this down a bit. That would be the best outcome. Or just deal with it at the end of the day. But that's weird, right? That shouldn't be picking out. Either way, do you know what I mean? Shouldn't be picking it up, but listen, we're rocking and rolling now anyway. It's picking it up, I can see it on the thing. That's well and weird, mate. It's really fucking weird. And I don't like noise cancellation mode. Loopy, mate. It's loopy. Just turn noise cancellation mode on and just see what it sounds like on there. Pause that quickly. Go back to the stream on YouTube. Turn it up. Loopy, mate. It's loopy. Yeah, noise cancellation sounds fucked. You can hear it trying to do its job, but it doesn't work properly. It's got a weird echo, mate. That's really fucking frustrating, that is. Really frustrating. I don't know, boys. That's too bad, fucking up. Alright, we're just gonna have to deal with it like that, I'm afraid, people. Anyway, fuck it. It is what it is. We're gonna have to hear an echo. We're hearing echoes, you know what I'm saying? It's just what it is, I'm afraid. So, where are we on gold anyway? Let's have a fucking look. We've come down, we've taken a lot of liquidity, all this liquidity from these lows here, which has been a target for a while. But I'm still expecting price to come into this range here. This is a daily candle, but overall I am expecting price to come down here. Obviously it's gold, so we've got to be very vigilant on what we're doing here, because gold is naturally a bullish asset, and we have come into a monthly or weekly 50% below the 50% range. So from this low here to this high, we've come below the 50%. So now we can kind of expect gold to continue to the upside, so we have to stay vigilant about that one. Previous daily lows also gone. So yeah, the DR is broke bullish, the Asia lows have been swept, so we are actually pretty good. So 15-minute wise, we're in this bearish leg from here to here, but 5-minute wise we are bullish. So unless we shift structure, we kind of want to be looking for buys until we've got a low here, a high here. No high has actually been formed yet. Yes, it has. So we've got a low here and then a high here. So we're actually in this range from here to here. Very small range. So if we break this low, we can expect price to come down to at least here. I'm not too excited about gold today. because my DR's broke bullish, but overall we are bearish, and 5 minute looks like it wants to shift structure as well, so the higher time frame is telling me bears. And I get the point that we have taken Asia lows, but listen, it doesn't always play out like that, the Asia lows to Asia highs situation. We are just overall bearish, so we know that anyway. So yeah, bears are in play for me at the minute. Obviously, when this breaks, but this is the key level here, right? This is the key level for me. Sorry, invalidation would be our invalidation level. So that's our invalidation level, guys. It's funny how YouTube falls behind, isn't it? Like you click live and it doesn't stay live, so I'm trying to keep it live so I can actually keep up to date with what's popping on this. But listen, we've got invalidation on gold. We have taken out previous day lows. There's a lot of reasons to continue to the upside, so we have to be very, very vigilant on that situation, guys. Previous daily lows have been taken. All these lows have been taken. We have market structure shifted here, which I can remove this zone now, not this zone, but I can adjust this zone. So we're looking at something like this now. So this range, sorry. We're expecting price to come to the upside on this range, while overall we are expecting price to go to the downside. So, yeah, would be interesting to see if this gets used as liquidity. We come down, tap into here, and then move to the upside. That could be a potential. Then target Asia highs. That could be a potential move there. The NAS 100, let's have a look. Bullish. Fucking bullish. So, low, high. We've got highs here, so this is a potential target here. Then we have potential targets here, and then we have potential targets here. So we have zones there. Back to the 1 hour. We are just looking very fucking bullish, and I don't really like when price actions like this because we're in the middle of nowhere. Look at that huge movement in New York. Asia lows haven't been taken. We've got a lot of liquidity sitting here, so all these lows here respecting this low. So Asia highs have been taken. Overall bullish still though. Overall bullish. And then Euro, let's have a look at Euro. Forgot about Euro today. Continuing that bullish momentum. We're in this range though, this daily range that I'm expecting to price to react from and come to the downside. So we're in a very interesting phase on this one. But we have broke structure to the upside here, so sweep out all these lows. We pushed up, broke structure yesterday, respected that demand zone. We can extend that demand zone. Pushed up, broke structure again. We do have a new demand sitting here. Rally base rally. So we've got an area here that we could look for possible moves. Low, high, broker structure, targets here. So we've got target. Price is pulling down. We broke out of the DR, but I don't like where we are in the range. So this would be a one where we just sit on our hands. We sit on our hands on this one. We could potentially see sweep, break. What was the low that created this high here? Here, this is our low here, so this is our invalidation area. If we break that, DR on this one ain't really in play for me today. If we look for a break here, then I'll potentially look for a short down to this range here, this area. A lot of liquidity sitting here as well, so take out all that liquidity, come into here, and then maybe continue to the upside, or respecting that daily zone and we go to the downside. But that's it for today. Nothing great on the watch list at the minute. And I'll finish. And I'll finish trading at 11 o'clock. Get on that. Get back. Drew Ireland, Paris. I think I'm closer to Paris. Sailors, shoulders. I actually made a crazy trade yesterday. What was it on? Was it EU? I think it was EU. I think it was EU. It was sick, mate. Absolutely sick. Yeah, I'm just double checking. It was EU. It was yesterday. It was literally trade, TP, entered again, TP. It was crazy. It was actually here, right? So it was this. Where was it? Let's have a look. I know it was based on, I should never have deleted it because it was messy. So it was something like this. So it was along from here, I believe. Or it was one of these, right? So it was here. And I targeted a 2R, which we got. Let's go there. So that I literally lose, spike, tapped, push, entered, and then. What was it? It's going to bug me now. Because there was literally, the entry was from here. I swear I sold and then bought. It was something like that. I can't remember. And it was from this area here. I can't even remember, mate. I can't fucking remember. I know it was something to do with this fucking area, but I can't recall what it was. I don't know. Join the chat. Oh. Oh, I might download again, fucking logic. Bruv, it's sweating. I don't think the aircon's coming out. The aircon's blowing, but I'm fucking sweating, mate. So EU's respecting this little structure here, which is great. Great, that's great. It's actually, no, I don't want that, I want this, I want native construction machine, she's not there, no one's even watching, so I'm just gonna fucking just native instruments machine. Mac. I have quite a lot of fucking Don't need that. Don't need that. I need the machine shit. Open it up. Let's see what I got in. What I got in. So the nose is coming down. It looks like gold wants to keep pushing.
Yeah.
Why is that not loading up? It's making me shit glitch though, I'll tell you that for sure. Just close it a sec. I'm going to cut this stream because no one's joining, nothing's really happening.